While many people look forward to the carefree days of retirement, many retirees are either not ready to leave their jobs or are forced to do so due to financial responsibilities. Working a regular job after retirement is not only unappealing to many retirees, but also difficult to come by. For retirees, converting all of their professional expertise and experience into a home-based business is a superior option. After a lengthy career, retirees might enjoy more flexibility and freedom with a home business. A business can be run from any location for seniors who wish to be expats, or from an RV for those who want to stay closer to home. It can be run part-time to allow for more enjoyment, or to care for a sick spouse. Here are 5 home business ideas for retirees who wish to make a part-time or full-time living from the comfort of their own home or wherever they are. Number 1. Coaching or consulting. Just because you've retired and stopped working doesn't imply you've lost all of your skills and expertise. Start a home-based coaching or consulting business to profit from your professional talents and expertise. Coaching and consulting can be done fully from the comfort of your own home using technologies such as web conferencing and Skype. Alternatively, you can conduct your coaching consulting business from home and visit your clients at their offices or a local coffee shop. Coaching may be beneficial to private individuals, such as life coaching, or professionals, such as building success plans or interview skills. Typically, consultancy is performed for the purpose of increasing sales or team productivity. Normally, this requires a visit to the business, although video conferencing can be used to provide advisory services. It could be as simple as contacting a former employer and offering to help. You can also get references from others in your network. Number 2. Writing or blogging. The internet is used by people to get information and have fun. If you can provide what they're looking for through a blog, you can make money through a variety of monetization tactics, such as affiliate marketing. If you offer useful information or entertaining anecdotes, people will read it. When you're retired, did you sell your house and buy a yacht to follow the sun? People would be curious to learn about your exploits. Do you have experience as a retired accountant? People would be curious to know about your financial planning and tax advice. Are you a delicacy connoisseur? A food blog is a great way to express your passion and knowledge about food. There are no limits to the number of blog topics you can choose from. Maybe you like writing, but don't want to deal with the hassle of starting and marketing a blog. A number of bloggers and online media sources pay for articles. You can create your own freelance writing business or search for writing jobs in marketplaces online, such as on freelance job sites, writing resources, and social media. Many retirees dream of writing the great American novel or writing a memoir about their lives. While traditional publishing remains difficult to break into, self-publishing is a quick and inexpensive way to get your book out there, and it might be a profitable way to do it. Number 3. Service-based business. Almost any skill can be used to start a home-based business. Selling such abilities through a service-based home business is one of the quickest and least expensive ways to start making money at home. Virtual assistants, bookkeeping, writing, landscaping, handyman services, pet care, and other services that people or businesses will pay for can all be converted into a business. Similar to coaching or consulting, you can approach your previous employer and offer your services. You could also use your network to find potential clients. Number 4. Turn a hobby into a business. Perhaps you are dissatisfied with your existing position and do not wish to turn it into a business. Hobby can, fortunately, be transformed into a home business. Do you enjoy gardening? Start a gardening business or create and sell how-to garden knowledge items, such as a book or an online course. Do you enjoy baking? Start a cookie business from the comfort of your own home. Do you like to take pictures? Start a home-based photography business or sell your images online. Almost every hobby can be turned into a profitable business. Is your passion a product or service you can sell, or can you teach others how to do it through live classes, online or off, or an information product such as a book or an email course? By blogging or establishing a podcast, you can earn money through affiliate marketing and/or advertising. Finding out which components of a hobby people will pay for or advertise on is the key to making money from it. Number 5. E-commerce. After years of working and raising a family, you're bound to have a lot of things around the house that you don't want or need. Selling your used and unwanted items on eBay or Craigslist can help you make money. You may start your own eBay store by purchasing things that sell well at flea markets, garage sales, and thrift stores. Amazon, on the other hand, allows you to sell used items. It also performs a function. Amazon Fulfillment is a service that allows you to ship all of your listed items to Amazon and have them delivered to your customers. If you enjoy manufacturing homemade goods and crafts, you can sell them on Etsy as well as at local flea or farmers markets, trade shows, and bazaars. You can also sell vintage items that are more than 20 years old on Etsy. You are not restricted to selling on eBay, Amazon, or Etsy. You can sell a variety of products online, including gadgets, fashion, art, books, jewelry, and other items. Finally, you are not limited to only selling used items on the internet. While this is a great location to learn about online selling and what sells, you can also create your own things to sell or work with a drop shipper or wholesaler to purchase products to sell online through your own e-commerce store. In retirement, you don't have to sit about. Your life and professional experiences might be turned into a source of income. You may set the price and the limits because you're the boss, allowing you to earn money while still enjoying retirement. If you learned something new from this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell to make sure you're not missing any of our next videos. And be sure to hit the like button and drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in the next video.